Welcome to Tuesday's Bag, a podlet for answers to questions of women business owners. So here's an interesting question. What if I can't afford what I owe in taxes? So that's not a thing. It's not about whether or not you could afford to pay your taxes, because we pay taxes on our earnings. So if you're earning money, then you have money to pay your taxes. So if you work for a company, they take the taxes out and they pay the respective tax agencies, right? The federal, they pay it to IRS for federal, and they pay it to your state tax agency. So depending on where you live or where you work. So it's done for you, right? So that means as you earn, the taxes come out, and you should meet your obligation in most cases. Now, when you file your taxes, that's where the reconciliation happens. Either you paid too much, so you get a refund, or you didn't pay enough, so now you have to pay the difference. But it's purely based on the tax rules and your earnings. So the same thing applies to when you're a business owner, except you don't have anyone to pay the taxes but you. It's your responsibility. So we as business owners, we have to pay our taxes quarterly. And we're supposed to be paying it based on our earnings, our net earnings. Okay, so you don't want to go the whole year without paying your taxes. And then when you file your tax return, now you have a big tax bill because you didn't make a contribution to pay your taxes. It's your responsibility. It is a rule. It is not optional. So again, pay your taxes as you go. We are in a pay-as-you-go tax system in the U.S. You can work it out with the tax agencies to pay an installment so that you can get caught up. In most cases, you can do that online without even talking to anyone. Otherwise, you have to call the tax agency, set up an installment arrangement, and get caught up. All right? But it's important to get it paid because you're going to accrue a lot of interest and penalty, and it's going to end up costing you more. Okay? So get that payment plan in place, or pay as you go, pay enough, so then maybe you'll get a refund at the end. I'm Tuesday P. Brooks, the profitability advisor for your small business. My mission is for women founders to become more profitable and run their business better. If you have a question for me, place it in the comments below.